Hi, welcome to Maree. Today I'm going to share fudgy, flourless chocolate cookie and only 3 ingredients. Let's get mixing. So I've got some leftover egg whites here. 2 egg whites. I'm going to start whipping them up. I'm going to slowly add in 1/3 cup of sugar, or 85 grams. I'm just whipping this until it's nice and thick. Just before I finish whipping it, I need to add the chocolate in. So to ensure there's no lumps, I'm just going to sift it over, which is about 21 grams. Nice and spaced out. I'm going to bake them at 160 fan for about 12 to 15 minutes. The cookies are baked, they smell delicious, so now I need to let them completely cool on the tray before we do a taste test. So I've let my cookies cool for about an hour and I'm going to taste one of them. They're totally fudgy, like a brownie on the inside. If you want them a bit crispier, cook them for 15 minutes. I took them out at 12 minutes. Let me know in the comments below if you give this flourless chocolate cookie recipe a go. Only 3 ingredients, and I'll pop a link up above to some other recipes that are only 3 ingredients. Thanks for watching. Hej då from Sweden.